Hey, that's your cousin.
Is that really your cousin? That sucks.
Nice tight pants. Are you filming me?
Yeah. Yeah, that could be bad if your mom sees that.
Just kidding.
Oh, it's okay.
I know, I was like, oh, shit.